Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to delete Facebook page permanently. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to delete your Facebook page permanently, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app. Just click on your Facebook profile icon. After that, you have to click on the settings. Scroll down. Under your activity, you will find access and control. In this, you can see I am not able to see access and control. If you are seeing this access and control, just you have to select that option. Then there you will find delete your Facebook page permanently or temporarily. You have to select delete Facebook page permanently. In this, I am not seeing that option. So I will move to another method. For that, here you will find personal details. Just tap on that. Under account settings, you can see personal details. Tap on this. Tap on account ownership and control. Here you can see deactivation or deletion. Tap on this. Select the profile which you want to delete. So I'll select my profile. In this you will find two options: deactivate additional Facebook profile or delete additional Facebook profile. Deleting your additional Facebook profile is permanent. So select this option, then click on continue. You can select the option before you delete. We may be able to help. You can select the reason why you are deleting. So I will select I no longer find Facebook useful. Just tap on continue, then tap on continue again. Here you have to just tap on continue. You have to enter your Facebook password, then tap on continue. After tapping continue, your Facebook page will be deleted. That's it guys. So in this way you can permanently delete your Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.